Hey guys, it's Honesty. So welcome to a new vlog. So we are starting off this year on a different note by doing a vision board. I have never, I should say, done a vision board ever. The only thing that I've actually done is to just make a notation of my goals in my phone under notes, and that's how I've been doing it for the past couple of years. But like I told you earlier in the last vlog, I think seeing something visually, I've been told that seeing something visually may have like a more positive impact and a push. So my friend is keeping a vision board party tomorrow, Sunday. Today is Saturday, and she sent me the invite, and I was like, yes, this is the push I need to do a vision board, because I think without this event coming up, I probably wouldn't have. Maybe it's like a 50% chance that I would or wouldn't do a vision board otherwise. I looked up what is vision board as well, to just get a sneak idea of, it's just basically your goals that you're putting on a board. What are your goals? What are your intentions, your inspiration for that upcoming year, or for that year that you want to achieve? So I did come up with a list on my phone, and I think I want to name my vision board. I think I want to probably put it at the top or in the middle, and I'm gonna say vision board, or sorry, my 2025 intention and inspirations. I think that little quote would be perfect to go on the board. So I did add like a few categories of what I'm envisioning to put on my board, and what are my goals and my absolute intentions for this year 2025 coming up. So financial is one of the topics that goes into my whole social media journey of making more money online. Two, the next topic is a hobby. There's something that I really want to do. We'll speak about that. I think I should say no, because on the vision board event tomorrow, I'm not really sure how the environment gonna be. But I think it's a small group. I think it's probably 10, 12. I don't think it's more than 20, by the way. But I think I should break down my outlines. After I do that, then I need to go on the internet and find Pinterest, and definitely go into a print shop ASAP before they lock today, Saturday, and print those out so I am ready for the vision party tomorrow. So yeah, so number one, like I said, the financial topic, which would be making more money online, which equals to growing my content. So what I have for my intention for this year for my YouTube channel is really putting more for the year 2024. I believe that I did try as best as I could. Sometimes I did like drop the ball a bit, but I think I did a really good job for 2024, trying to push myself and trying to make more content and to grow on YouTube. So my goal for this year 2025 for my YouTube is to have 20,000 subscribers. Is it impossible? No, it's not. Do I think it's like out of my goal? No, I do not. And I think with my intentions for this year, it is truly possible. And always dream big, y'all. Dream big. So that 20,000 subscribers for my YouTube, and my Instagram and TikTok, I want to grow it to 10,000 followers. So that is my goal for making money online, and also affiliate marketing, trying to find more of trying to find more affiliate links. You guys already know that I have the Amazon storefront, so pushing that more. I think I have Pinterest as well, where I do add some affiliate links from Pinterest, but I don't think I'm like putting in enough work on that platform. So that's one of my intention. So the next topic or category is hobby. So I have been wanting to do this for so many years, y'all, is to learn how to swim. I do not know how to swim. Yeah, so hobby, learn how to swim for 2025. Okay, period. The next category is is travel. Like, I love traveling, and to be honest, I want to be able to make a decent amount of money to at least do the minimum three trips out of the year. And I'm talking international trips. International trips, okay? And for my local trips, I love hotels. I love the luxury life, okay? I love the luxury life that I can't afford, but I envision the luxury life, and I love me some hotel. I love me a nice room with a nice ocean view, with a beautiful balcony, with a great bathroom. Like, I love me some hotel stays. So yeah, travel internationally and both locally as well. There is one thing I forgot to add on the financial, and that is starting my new business. So I did mention this already. I am in the process of launching my new business. Super excited. I don't want to tell you much about it until it's fully launched. And yeah, so that's like under my financial to starting my new business, launching my new product. I am super excited about it, y'all. I have trying to make this product from 2021, and it just wasn't working out, and I stopped. I told myself, no, 2024 I am gonna put it in motion, because the bag needs to be flowing through and stay in my account. I need the bag. I need the bag based on what I want to achieve in this life. Okay, so we're launching the product under financial. Okay, so the next thing, we talked about travel, and the last category is purchases. Is I think I have one more category I need to add. I don't think my list is finished, but I just wanted to start out this vlog because it's after 3 o'clock, and I think the printry place closes at 5 o'clock, and we need to look for the stuff online. So let me just say this, y'all. This video that I'm doing right now is not planned, and I think I'm all over the place, but I hope it comes off okay when you guys are watching it, because this is what it is. I'm not gonna re-record anything. We're running out of time, and it is what it is. So my next intention for a purchases, or like that's one of my intentions to grow my channel, is to get a vlog camera. I need to add that to my vision board, and my intentions and inspiration on my 2025 vision board is very doable. It is. So I'm adding a photo of a specific camera that I want on my vision board, because we are going to be putting in the work and increase our quality for our content for 2025. No, I think I may add a phone. I'm using the 12 Pro Max right now to record. That's the phone that I have, and this is an iPhone 8, I think. Do I want another phone? You know what? I'm gonna put another phone, because I will definitely take 15 Pro Max. The quality that I've seen with that, y'all, I would, or I probably move to Android. We don't know yet, but I'm definitely gonna add a phone to the list. But that's the overall intention and inspiration for my visual board. And as I did wanted to put a category for relationships. I think that's a little bit private, but if I want to be intentional for this year and what I'm looking for, I really need to add that to my board. So I'm gonna add a category for relationships, and it's with my personal relationship in finding someone, and also my relationship with God. So those are the two things as relates to relationship that I think I would love to improve on, and also to find somebody, because we single over here. So yeah, that's the overall category for my vision board. We're gonna jump right now. Here's my laptop. We're gonna jump in, and we're gonna use Pinterest and just Google images to find what we want, and then we're heading out the house to the printer place. Let's get into this. like getting all of my quotes, my pictures, everything. I think I've gotten quite a few. The only thing is I don't know how big of a vision board it is. I'm not sure of the sizing because my friend who is putting it on, she's providing the board, so I'm not sure of how big of the board is. And I think I got around 10 pictures. I think I may need more, but what I'm gonna do as well, if you know there's still a lot of space left, I'm just gonna add some little quotes in it, make some little jottings on it to just, you know, add a little bit more volume to my board. But anyways, what I'm gonna do right now is to add the pictures into Microsoft Word. So when I just go to the print replace, you can just print 1, 2, 3 sheets, however it comes out, and then when I get home I just cut them up, and then yay, I will have my pictures. So let's hurry up and do that. Then yeah, we're gonna head out. It's moving on to 3:30. Actually guys, I have been trying the Word document for quite some time to like put the pictures beside each other, and it's literally not working out. So we're just going to use Canva, just adding the letter size, the customized letter size for in Canva, and then just add the pictures beside each other. I think Canva is way more easier. It can move around the pictures and do all of that. The Word is just not working out for me, and we don't want to print 20 pages because it's literally one picture holding per Word document, and we're not about to do that. And they're colored. I want them to be in colored as well. So we're gonna use Canva. Pretty much easy to move around, and yeah, let's get back into it. So it's vision board party day. Let's go. So just an update, we're just here, so just update, we had some food which was lovely, and you know, we did a little kumbaya, giving our views and you know, just information about the space that we're in. Most of the content creators are here, so yeah, there they are over there. And let me just show you where we'll be doing the vision board. We're currently going to do that shortly, and this is the beautiful setup that Miss Ma'am did there. Hey Sue, beautiful setup. So oops, yeah, so we got the boards, got a little alcohol here, you know, cupcakes and all of that. So super excited about, let me just turn around the camera. Yeah, so super excited y'all to just go ahead and start this vision board. I am super excited, and like I said earlier, the stuff that I'm putting on my vision board is very realistic. So looking forward to 2025.
We're ready.
What's it called?
2025, we are
2025 goals are set. We are gonna set it in stone for today.
Oh, look cute.
Say hi to my YouTube. Yeah. I feel like this is so slippery.
This nice.
Okay, this is nice. Okay, guys. So it's time to get cracking with our 2025.
Oh, so the light still, the cupcake is nice. It's not something, it's something. be disciplined and eventually like take your time and get it because you're dead for hungry if you don't understand what it is.
Got you. Well, you have to train your body. So yeah,
Yeah, you have to
that's
train
true. Have to train the body. That's good.
Very fussy. Yeah, man, very fussy.
I mean, I am an artist, you know. My thing is so big, I need to put it on. Is it a story?
1, 2, 3.
Very productive.